Snoring may seem physically harmless, but can actually indicate a much more serious and sometimes fatal condition called obstructive sleep apnea. The sleep apnea cycle starts when a person falls asleep. The jaw relaxes and the air passage collapses, blocking airflow to the lungs. The brain then struggles to rouse itself before suffocation. The snorer awakens with a gasp before falling back to sleep, only to start this cycle again. Secondhand snoring can cause pain, excessive fatigue, and even deafness with exposure to certain sound frequencies. An effective method of combating snoring is by wearing a lightweight dental device similar to a molded mouthguard. Dr. Gilsdorf's practice philosophies stem from his determination to give his patients the education they need in order to achieve optimum health and aesthetics. To make an appointment with Dr. Gilsdorf, please call 785-370-0940.